Hey, welcome to Samperio Turbo Rebuild. My name is Samperio. I'm the manager here at the Hesperia location. We specialize in doing turbos, fuel pumps, and injectors, and much more. Come on in so I can show you how we keep your trucks running nice and strong. Our team's always ready to take your call, whether it's about a core return, checking if we have a part available, or it's just the right fit for your truck. Call us if you have any questions. We got Spanish speaker and English speakers. We got top-notch machines to make the process of your rebuild exact. It's not guesswork here. We use VCR balancing machines, flow testing machines, and injector calibration machines, so your part works right the first time.
Hey, what's up guys? My name is Danny Samperio. I'm the injector technician here at STR. I'm going to show you how we bring these injectors back to life. So here we disassemble everything, and this is where we come when we put them in this ultrasonic to make sure everything is all cleaned out and ready to go. We replace worn components with new parts, then recalibrate each one to make sure it performs like new or better. Every of these injectors goes through a full test cycle so we know it's 100% sure. This place here is our disassembly room. Every turbo injector or fuel pump gets tore down here first. It's where we find the root of the problem and prep every part of the cleaning and rebuilding.
At Samperio Turbo Rebuild, we're not just another diesel shop. We're diesel mechanic techs who live this day by day. Everything is tested in-house with 1 year unlimited mileage warranty. If you need a turbo, fuel pump, or injector, give us a call or visit us at samperioturborebuild.net.